What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another new vlog. So today is on Sunday. Today is on Sunday the 5th of October. I came back home. Yeah, I came back home for the long holidays. So I arrived here on Thursday. So yeah, on Thursday, and then I did a shopping haul, which you guys have seen, of the things that I brought. So these are the things that we got, the things that I got. Those the pampers are for my sister. As you know, she has a small baby. So yeah, I had actually put away some of the things. So this is just a few. So it's around 12:30 in the afternoon, and I decided maybe I want to prepare some mandazis. It's been long, so let me remind myself how to prepare mandazis, and then I'm going to take you guys along with me. So I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's keep subscribing, guys. Let's grow. Okay, so yeah, let me take you guys along as I prepare my mandazi. So as you can see, I have my bowl, mixing bowl. Then I'll start by putting all the dry ingredients. In that matter, I mean, so first I'm flour, adding in the sugar, and any that there is the cinnamon. So I wanted and then the mandazi to have a bit of my wet ingredients. So as you can see, that is what I'm adding. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So it's today is on Wednesday and it's quite early. I'm stepping out. It's around 8:30. So yeah, I recently started my driving lessons, so and they fall at around 10. So that is where I am headed. And so the thing is, guys, I am excited. You know, the way you're excited to learn something new, and at the same time I am very nervous. I am very nervous, but let's see how this goes. I'm actually nervous about the test, which is quite, I don't know, after how many weeks I'm nervous. So I'm just praying that I get to pass the test when the time comes. But for now, let's continue with our classes.